Hi mga kababayan! Are you ready to level up your skills today? Kung naghahanap ka ng in-demand course na swak sa panahon ngayon, this is it. I'm super excited to share with you our computer secretarial course with artificial intelligence integration. Yes, you heard that right. Computer skills plus AI tools. Highly competitive you. Here's what you learn sa course na ito. Digital literacy para maging confident ka sa paggamit ng computer, typing master kasi speed and accuracy are a must sa office work. And Windows 11, learn the latest OS at paano ito ma-maximize for productivity. And Microsoft Word, formatting, document creation, reports, lahat yan. And Microsoft Excel, basic to intermediate skills para sa data and reports. And Microsoft PowerPoint, galingan sa presentation with creative slides. And AI skills for productivity. Ito na ang exciting part. We'll teach you how to use artificial intelligence tools to make your work faster, smarter, and more efficient. And imagine mo to, marunong ka na sa admin tasks, and tech savvy ka pa with AI. That's the kind of edge na hinahanap ng mga employers ngayon. And so kung interesado ka, mag-comment ka lang interested at below or send us message para makuha mo ang full details. Invest in your future today. Enroll now sa Computer Secretarial Course with AI Integration. Salamat sa panonood. Mga kababayan, see you in class!